Congrats, guys. So you are inside of Odoo Resolution Center and you would like to start working at that. What is it here? So this is a login page, and on the login page you already see the screen of new task creation. You can always initiate this screen clicking on this button, so it's quite simple to start the new task. On this new task window, you see the selector of all the projects where you are connected as a user. So, for example, if you are Odoo consultant and you're using Odoo Resolution Center to support your clients, then you will have several projects there. So you will be able to click here and select it. If you are working with one Odoo instance inside of your company, then you will see only this one. Then, of course, you have here environment, it's live and stage. So live, that's when you're doing any change, it already appears on the live, and stage when you want to experiment and to make some testing. So let's say if you want to have a report created, then you're going to live environment. But if you want to change or make some modifications of your Odoo, some functional changes, adding some field or etc., then you are going to the stage environment. Then on the left side, you see the list of active tasks which you already have created. You also can switch the language. Currently, we have English and Polish version. You can see the version of to dark theme, or you can stay on this bright one as you see today, and then you can log out. Those buttons you won't see if you are not admin of the system. Then let's say you want to create the first task. It's quite straightforward. You can write a prompt, and here I wrote that I would like to see the number of products I have in Odoo, and then you can attach some file if you want to provide additional information to your agent. Then once you click in creating the task, the chat window is opening and agent is already starting its work on the task you just asked from the agent. You see the plan, you see that he's starting some work. So you're aware on which stage our agent is currently is. And then at the end, here it is. You see the result. You have 284 products in your Odoo system. That's how you can ask agent to perform the task which you would like to follow and to manage. But then you can have some cases when you would like to do something more complicated and you are unsure as a user if you can do it by yourself or you need to get some help from Odoo experts. So next video I will show you how you can invite Odoo experts to work together with you in Odoo Resolution Center on your tasks. Thank you for watching.